Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Samsung Galaxy A52 series. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the paintboard frame by undoing screws. Undo 10 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. Next, from the left hand side, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom section and undo 6 screws to take out the PCB cover. Next, disconnect and take out the main ribbon cable, and then take out the Touch ID sensor and both antennas. Next, undo one more screw and lift the secondary board using a pry tool. The secondary board contains the charger port and headphone jack. Next, replace the broken charging board with a new unit and place it on the board. Next, secure the secondary board by adding the screw. Next, connect both ends on the main ribbon flex, Touch ID camera and both antennas into the board. Next, place the secondary PCB cover by adding 6 screws. Next, add the SIM tray and place the mainboard frame with the wireless coil to the body. Secure the frame by adding 10 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the charging port replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.